Welcome to Spirit Shack. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about this product. So this is our full spectrum light. So basically it also doubles up as an infrared light as well. So you'd use this with a camera or video camera. It's got a hot shoe mount which attaches to most cameras and video cameras. And there's rigs as well that you get that hold your camera or phone. Also hold this as well. So yeah, it's very versatile. It takes one 9-volt square battery, and you have two switches. So the bottom switch operates the bottom two lights. They are infrared. So if you're just wanting to film in complete darkness with a night vision camera, you can just use the night vision. Or if you've got a full spectrum camera, you can use the night vision as well. Or you can also use the full spectrum. So full spectrum includes all of the visible light. So it includes all the colours we can see. And it also includes ultraviolet and infrared. Yeah, the beauty about using infrared or full spectrum, the camera can see more forms of light which we can't, and spirits and things often appear in infrared or ultraviolet which we can't see. So using this light in either infrared or full spectrum mode with a night vision or full spectrum camera usually allows you to see more. I've quite a lot of shadow figures and mists with this, but they couldn't be seen with my eyes, so they do work, and it can help you ghost hunting. So I'll leave a link to this in the product description, and thanks for watching.